Hey, it's Lisa Renee here, and I want to let you know that it's never too late to start over. And I just keep going over and over this point because there's so many people that seem to think you're too old for that. Too old for what? I mean, come on. I've always been one to try new things and step it up, learn from my mistakes. Hey, I quit drinking at the age of 62, and everything just seemed to flow from there. It's a new era, it's a new life. Nothing is going to stop me now. I am renovating, I'm rebuilding, I'm coming back stronger than ever. By the time I hit 63, watch out. So, I mean, most people think of when you're over 60 or you hit 60, you're senior now. I call it classic, I call it vintage, but I'm definitely not feeling and acting like I'm senior. So I'm doing the work. I care less about what other people think. I'm not sporting the leggings and wearing them as pants, and I don't think anyone should, but I'm certainly pulling on my leggings and gym gear and hitting the gym. And I may be slower, it may take me longer to get in shape, but that doesn't matter because what I'm doing is I'm renovating. You take one step at a time and you keep moving forward and things keep getting better. So when you get to this point, you realize that you have so much freedom. It's amazing. When people say, "Aren't you too old to do that?" I say, watch me. Watch me. Do not ever get discouraged. Just because you're over 60 doesn't mean it's too late. You keep going. I'm keeping going. This is going to be the best time of my life, and it's my time to shine. And so is it time for you. Get your butt up, get moving, get rid of the chains. Mine was alcohol. I got rid of that. And if you're still drinking alcohol every day, maybe it's time to rethink that. Maybe it's time to let it go and let in all the good stuff that's gonna come your way. Have a good day. Love you.